If your dreams look like Australia, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the 491 Visa Essentials. The 491 visa is a game changer for skilled workers and their families wanting to migrate to regional Australia. Introduced in November 2019, this points-based visa can lead to permanent residency after just 3 years. Eligibility? Check these boxes. 1. Occupation on the MLTSSL or ROL. 2. Minimum 65 points. 3. Under 45 years. 4. Competent English. Meet health and character requirements. State or family nomination. The application process is simple. Check eligibility and submit an EOI via Skill Select. Get nominated or sponsored. Receive an invitation to apply. Submit your application within 60 days. Processing takes 6 to 12 months. Points, age, English, employment, education, regional study, and partner skills can boost your score. Remember, you must live and work in a designated regional area and keep the department updated on any changes. This visa offers work and study rights, access to Medicare, and the chance to travel in and out of Australia. After 3 years, eligible visa holders can apply for the subclass 191 visa for permanent residency. State and territory nominations have specific requirements, so check them out. Ready to take the leap? Which visa will you work on first? Stay tuned for more tips and info. And don't forget to subscribe and get more details. Connect with Kadam Overseas.